Hey guys, welcome back to another King Forum video. In today's video, we're talking about the new iPhone 17 Pro looks like, or the other ones as well. Of course, they are just started being available for pre-order on the 12th. On the 12th, sorry about that. So here it is, guys. Let's get into it. Of course, Boost Mobile now has access to them. So it does have store-to-door free delivery and setup where available in your area. But let's go ahead and take a look at it. We're talking about the iPhone 17 Pro. So it says infinite access for iPhone. Of course, this is something that Boost Mobile does offer, which is really good. We'll look at this because for like $60 a month, you can get an iPhone and the plan. Well, this time it looks like it's 65. So, it says 830 off iPhone 17 models. No trade-in required. Like I said, free delivery, setup, and activation. New phone on us today. 0 down. Taxes are extra. Wow. Latest iPhone every year, unlimited talk, text, and data, starting at only $65 a month. New customer store-to-door setup. So this is pretty cool, guys. It's $65 a month, but every year you get a new iPhone when the new one launches, which is a pretty good program. Let's go ahead and take a look. So it looks like, of course, if you want the iPhone 17 Pro, it does cost $7.50 a month. Remember, it's $830 off the 17, so anything higher than the 17, it will cost you extra. There's an iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's $10.27 a month. Or if you did an iPhone 17, it's free. You're just paying for the plan. Of course, you can do the Air. They still give you $830 off, which would cost you $4.72. But at that price, honestly, I would probably get the 17 Pro, honestly. Of course, they do have this thing, like I said, that I talked about, store-to-door, where a Boost Mobile rep will come and help you set up the device to your house. So you don't even have to go to the store. You can order it. They'll come to you, deliver it, and set it up, guys, within like a 2-hour window, which is actually pretty nice. It says purchase infinite access for iPhone, store-to-door setup and activation included. Enjoy unlimited wireless. Get the latest iPhone every year. So not bad at all. Of course, 30-day money back guarantee. But let's just say we wanted, let's say the Pro Max. That's probably the most popular one that everybody gets. Of course, you can, here's the 3 colors to have it in Cosmic Orange, Silver, or Deep Blue. Personally, I'll probably get that Deep Blue. That orange is a little too bright for me, but you can definitely find it if you lose it. So, of course, the phone is $1,200 or, I believe, or $10.27 with this promo. Of course, that's for the 256. They have 512, 1 terabyte, and 2 terabytes. Now, remember, this is not what it costs. This is what it costs with the discount, guys. So it would be a lot more expensive without the discount. So, of course, you can get Boost Protect with Apple Care Services, $15 a month. Might actually just get it straight through Apple, but it's up to you guys. You can keep number or get a number. Special deal, like I said, it's $10.27 a month, which does require infinite access. For iPhone, like I said, it's a $65 a month plan. If you did finance this for 36 months, no interest, it is $33.33 a month. And if you bought it outright, it is $1,200. So just be wary about that. Of course, this Pro Max is 6.9 inch, 48 megapixel, 39 hours, good lord, iOS 26, okay? Basically, the iPhone 17 Pro, like I said, it does have better performance, better screen. Does have heat. It's heat forged aluminum unibody, so just one body. 48 megapixel camera with 8x optical quality zoom. 18 megapixel front-facing camera, which is nice. Of course, only the Pro models have the A19 Pro chip. Breakthrough battery life, like I said, this is probably, if I would have to get another iPhone, which I'm probably not going to get it this year, so it didn't really wow me, to tell you the truth. I'd probably get the Pro Max for the almost 40-hour battery life, which is crazy. Of course, Apple Intelligence, eSIM, and 256 gigs of storage. Is it worth the upgrade? It says 100%. So a few ways iPhone 17 Pro gives you more than an iPhone 13. I don't know why it's comparing it to an iPhone 13. I mean, that's a 13. That's 4 generations back or whatever. So, of course, here's the 3 main guys. Well, they should have put the Pro in here, but they're talking about 17, the Air, and the Pro Max. Of course, 6.9, 6.5, 6.3 inch aluminum, titanium, aluminum. So, pretty cool. Of course, oh, even the Air, oh, my bad. Even the Air has the A19 Pro chip. I thought it just had the A19. So the Air to the Pro Max will have the A19 Pro chip. The regular 17 will just have the A19. You get 30 hours, 27 hours, and 39 hours, guys. Look at that. Holy smokes. Of course, the cameras are almost the same. It's just, of course, the Pro does have the 3 lenses versus the Air has 1 lens. So kind of reminds you of the SE or the 16E. And then, of course, the 17 has the dual camera. So not bad at all. So if you want better zoomed in pictures and higher quality, I would go with the Pro model at least. They all do Dolby Vision up to 4K. This one does, the Pro Max does 120 frames per second versus the Air does 60, and then the 17 does just 16. It does have optical zoom. Here's all the zooms that it has up to the 8. This one's just 1 to 2x, 0.5 to 1 to 2. All Apple Intelligence. Now, if you did get the Pro Max, it looks like supports USB 3 for up to 20 times faster transfer, guys. And of course, these do support USB 2, but they're all Type C, so not bad at all. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Would you get this? Of course, we can get that deal. They do put you, I believe, what's the cheaper plan? No, here it is. So if you did the iPhone Access, what do you get with that plan? Of course, you get the iPhone 17. Got unlimited talk, text, and data. Well, I don't know why I'm having trouble. It's early, so like I said, I haven't even done my hair yet. iPhone 17 is, or the new iPhone is included up to $830 in device savings. Buy now, pay later. Annual upgrades once a year. You can upgrade global talk and text. North America Connect. 30 gigs of premium data. So just be wary about that, guys. Is they only give you 30 gigs of premium data. After that, it does slow down. So basically, you're getting the equivalent to, I believe it's one of these plans right here. Where is it at? Oh, here you go. It's $25 a month technically. So that's why I'm kind of like, if you think about it, if the phone's $33 a month and this plan's $25, you know, it's still cheaper if you did this route. It's just here, I guess they charge you a premium to be able to get the new iPhone every year as long as it's not damaged. So, but it is cheaper if you did it by yourself. $25 a month is the same plan that you're getting 30 gigs of premium data for this one. Plus, even if you finance the phone, it's, let's say, $30 a month. That's only $55. So they're charging $65 here. But like I said, that premium is to be able to upgrade every year. So I kind of get it. But if you didn't want to do that, you need more data. They do have the 50 Unlimited Plus plan. That gives you 40 gigs of premium data. And then the Limited Premium does give you 50 gigs of premium data. So pretty cool. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Will you be getting the new iPhone 17? Me personally, no. I'll probably make a different video of this because I do have a 16 Pro and I don't have any issues with it. So yeah, like I said, I'll make another video talking about that. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. Let me know what do you think. If you want to support the channel, check out the description below. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day. Thank you.